Ever since Microsoft kind of failed to create their own mobile platform, the company has pivoted and found an alternative method. This involves creating as many apps and services for iOS and Android. Now it looks like Google is doing the same with the launch of their new Essentials app for Windows. Google bringing some of their apps and services to Windows isn't new. The company launched Google Play Games for Windows a few years ago. So what is Google Essentials? According to the company, it is basically a hub that will allow users to discover and install a bunch of Google apps and services. This includes apps such as Google Photos, Google Messages, and yes, Google Play Games. This means that instead of users having to seek out the apps individually, they can find it all under the Essentials app. Google has also managed to secure a partnership with HP. This partnership will see the app come pre-installed on various HP computers. This includes the HP Spectre, Envy, Pavilion, Omen, and Victus series, and in the future, the Omnibook brand as well. Google says that its availability will be expanded in the coming months, so it's something to look out for non-HP PC owners.